Hi all, welcome to RandomTechie. In this video, we are going to see how to write a simple Hello World program. As we discussed in our previous video, simple scripts can be handled in HTML page itself. Common functions and complex scripts can be handled in a separate JavaScript files. In this video, we are going to see both the methods to write the Hello World program. Before we start, we will quickly discuss about Live Local Server extension in Visual Studio Code. We can see many live local server extensions in the marketplace. We are going to use this live server to launch a development local server with live reload features for static and dynamic pages. Okay. Let's start Hello World program. Create a HTML file with extension as .html. Doctype HTML. HTML element. Head element. Script element. Hello World. Inside alert method. Body element. Some sample content in paragraph to see the difference during the page rendering. Let's save the HTML page. Right-click on the HTML page editor, and select Open with Live Server option. You can see the results in alert message with default IP and port number. By default, local server will start with default port number 5500. Let's split the window for our easy reference. In this case, JavaScript statements will be loaded first and will be interpreted before body of the content. Hence we are seeing alert message first and then seeing the paragraph statements in the browser. If we do any change in the editor page, it will automatically render on the browser as we are using local server, once HTML page is saved. Okay, let's see how HTML will work if we add script element inside body element. Let's see the results. There is no difference in results. We can give a try outside of body element and outside of HTML element now. There will not be any difference, as script element statements will be loaded first. Next, we are going to see how to use the external JavaScript file reference in HTML page. In the external file, no need to write script element. We can write only JavaScript statements. Create a JavaScript file with extension as .js. Same alert method with Hello World value parameter. Let's save the file as a JavaScript file. To include a JavaScript from external file, use source attribute in the script element. Give the source reference in script element and save the HTML page. Let's see the result now. You can see the difference now, when we add the JavaScript file reference inside or outside body element or HTML element. In this case, body of the content will be loaded first. The benefit of a separate JavaScript file is that browser will download the JavaScript files and store it in its cache, so that any number of HTML pages can access the same JavaScript file from the instead of downloading it. That reduces the traffic and makes pages faster. Yes, we are done with Hello World program. We will see more in upcoming videos. Happy coding! Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. See you in next video.